G'day guys, Cyanide here. Finished getting the drive chain in. Got down the back there. Got the rear steer linear actuator. The two axles drive shafts. These are RC4 drive mega truck steel drives. And just in here behind the wire is an old nylon finisher shaft. Hello Harvey. And what I've done is I've put in a beak and the rest of the electronics, put the motor input at at the moment it's got a 20T on it, and whatever this is, 87 spur, so just going to test it out. This is the first time I've seen this thing running under its own steam since April 2012, so it's pretty cool, pretty exciting times. And it'll also be the first time that I get to try out the front and rear steer simultaneously now it's all hooked up. I'm going to be trying to drive this thing and film, so we'll see how we go. So yeah, get it up, here we go. That noise, I think that's the PTO shaft. I'm sure Kiva's going to give her feedback on it any time now. Looks like she's arcing up for a bark. Yeah, so there's a bit of a rattle. I'm pretty sure it's something to do with the PTO. I'll have to have a look at that. I just got scrap sitting here loose, so it could just be rubbing on this piece of tin for all I know. Hello. Yes, hello. How are you? Good girl. Yep. I'm sure she'll be a keen chaser if Carl's going to bugger off. So, okay, I'm going to put this camera down somewhere, and we'll try out a bit of rear steer, see if we test that one out. The rear steer seems to be working pretty well actually. Quite impressed with it. So there's the first running test of, well, not the first, but the most recent running test of Fatbetty. I found that rattling noise is just this side panel I got sitting on top of the front here just to hold the electrics away from the PTO. That's what's causing that really loud noise, so no dramas there. Yeah, I've got to, maybe I have to play around to set up a bit more. I'm experimenting. I've never used a stick controller for one thing, to control a truck. So, and what I've done is instead of using that one for throttle, I've decided to use this one. So the theory being, I can put this in low range sort of thing. I can set the slow speed and use my hands to control other accessories like I don't know, whatever I decide to put on this thing. Whether I leave it like that remains to be seen. The other thing is this speed controller here is still set to forward, then the first back is brake and then the second is reverse, so I might see if I can reset that to just forward and reverse, because I'm not really used to it set up like that. Anyway, progress. Next time you see this, it's going to have a body on it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, playing around with this PTO that's causing all this noise, and it's not quite that well balanced, so it's causing a lot of vibration, and that's what was causing that tin to rattle so loudly when I was testing it. So I thought I'd put the motor on it, because the motor has this rubber band here which goes around this little motor cosmetically and around to power the fan. I'm kind of hoping that with this rubber band putting some tension here on the PTO, it won't rattle so much, because that vibration is going to be a problem, and I'll just have to disconnect the PTO if it is bad. But I thought I'd just film this because hopefully it works and looks the part. I've still got the noise. I'm pretty sure that's caused by the vibrations from the PTO. That's cool, but I might have to disconnect it. I'm going to do some more testing off camera.